Hey everyone, and welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we're diving into the world of email marketing, specifically email warm-up. Why is email warm-up important? Email warm-up helps build trust by increasing deliverability rates, boosting sender reputation, and avoiding spam filters by ensuring emails are seen by intended recipients. Now, let's talk about some awesome tools to help you warm up your email like a pro. Top 5 Email Warm-Up Tools. Warmy, SmartLead, ZeroBounce, Snowy.io, Inboxy.io. Email warm-up takes time and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see overnight results. By being patient and using the right tools, you can dramatically improve your email deliverability and reach your target audience with ease. Just click the link in the description below to learn more about these tools and their features and pricing. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.